Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlong.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev. I look at the daily target. I record myself doing it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Here we go. All right. We got some shapes, very specific shapes. And I think we only need a little bit of stuff here. So let's do a little bit of stuff. Let's start with a radial gradient. 1Q. And that's going to be dead center. And this color, 60 pixels, let's say. And then that. Okay, so let's see if that's let's get that size right. 80, 90, 90 pixels. How about Q values? 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, maybe 95 Q. We might have to put that back, but that's okay. Okay, and on top of that, how about a linear gradient? That is this color, 40 pixels, coming in at 90-degree angle, then transparent, and then moved over 100 pixels, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then that's what, 60 wide, 60, 70, 80, 80 wide. Yeah, I don't like that edge. I'm going to turn this back to 90 pixels. That's okay. And then the last thing we want is a conic gradient over top of the whole thing at 40 pixels, transparent, 75%, white, 0. So there's our little square. And it looks like it's 50 by 50. And now we need to move that 100 pixels over and give it a width of 120 pixels. All right. So we're guessing at the size there, but let's move this 100 pixels down, 100, 10, 20, 30, 25, 0. How about 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Okay, so here's where we see the offset. It needs to be wider. How about 130 wide? What we want to see is that's exactly right. So that works. That's it. Let's submit and see if we got 100%. If it is, then we're all done. Yeah, and we are. Unit replace. A few of these values reduce. That's great. Minify. Chop off some final values and then submit for a final answer. That's a fun one. I like that one. Not too many ways to do this, but I enjoyed that with 1, 2, 3 conic, linear, and radial gradients. Now, would there be a way to do this differently? Yes, of course there would be. But I didn't. All right. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage. I'll see you around. Bye.